Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called Can I Live in My Home During a Major Remodel? Now, let's not beat around the bush. Living through a major remodel is like deciding to camp in the middle of a construction site. It can be done, but you'll need a plan, a sense of humor, and possibly noise-canceling headphones. Let's talk about whether you can live comfortably while your home is getting a facelift and how to do it without losing your marbles. First up, the pros. Staying put means you keep a close eye on the action, a front row seat to your own HGTV drama. You can address issues as they arise and troubleshoot on the fly. Plus, you're saving money not having to rent an apartment or crash on Aunt Velma's couch. But is the savings worth the hassle? Let's dig deeper. Picture this. Every morning, your alarm clock is replaced with the sound of drills and hammers, more reliable than any rooster in town. Add in the constant whirlwind of dust and displaced furniture. Folks, I'm not making this stuff up. Living on site means bracing for forever evolving chaos. But if staying is your choice, here's a survival guide to getting through it. First, establish a safe zone. Designate one area as your sanctuary, a makeshift kitchen, maybe a cozy nook. This base camp becomes a refuge when plaster and paint start closing in. Keep it stocked with all the essentials, ensuring that when the blender is packed away, you've still got access to your morning smoothie. Communication is crucial. Sit down with your contractor to understand the timeline and potential disruptions. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Weekly updates and a strict schedule will give you a sense of control and help lower stress. Let's talk safety. Clear pathways free from debris, ensure kids and pets are secure, and verify all safety protocols with your contractor. It's still your castle, so safety remains the highest priority. Also, recognize when to step away. Dust and noise can get overwhelming, so take scheduled timeouts. Check into a hotel for a night or visit a friend. A change of scenery is as refreshing as a glass of cold lemonade on an Arizona day. So, can you live in your home during a remodel? Absolutely, with careful planning, communication, and a sprinkle of patience. By setting up a comfort zone, remaining clear on timelines, and knowing when to escape temporarily, you'll emerge from this DIY backpacking trip stronger, and so will your house. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.